Welcome to Boreal River. My name's Danny, and we're looking forward to a great session on the water with you. This program's for you if you're physically active. It's for anybody who wants a thrilling experience. For beginners, it's an excellent way to start. In this video, we're going to let you know what to expect so that you're comfortable with the plan. The three main goals of this program are for you to have a fun adventure, to learn and get more comfortable in whitewater, even if you're a total beginner, and to experience the Ottawa River from a new perspective. To break these three down a bit more, firstly, the fun. This is an opportunity for you to have a fun time splashing and floating on the water this summer. We're passionate about rivers. For our staff, when we're out on the water, whether that's paddling a rapid or connecting with people or just lying on the rocks, watching nature, there's usually no place in the world we'd rather be. Our instructors have years of experience working as river guides all over the world on some of the biggest and most famous whitewater rivers, and we feel so lucky and grateful to be able to do this, and we want to share that with you. The inflatable kayaks are very stable and easy to steer. Basically, you just need to look the way you want to go, smile, and paddle forward, and you'll be on your way. Floating and swimming in the river is fun. At the same time, please remember that this is your day. All of the activities are challenge by choice, which means that if you decide you don't want to do a certain activity, you can opt out, because ultimately we just want you to have a great time. As for learning, you're going to start learning how to read rapids. If you understand what the water is doing, you can work with the current to leverage the power of the water and to get to where you want to go. You'll get some basic skills for swimming, wading, and paddling in rapids. That will be a great foundation for you, whether you use those skills for just this one experience and you never get in a river again, or you want to get further into a specific river activity like backcountry canoeing, rafting, kayaking, or pack rafting, or even if you're into hiking or fishing or anything where you need to be near rivers or cross rivers, this foundation of skills and knowledge can serve as a great launching point. Along with confidence, we also want to make sure that you learn about river hazards. Rivers can be dangerous and the current is powerful, so you'll learn about some basic safety and rescue concepts and also start getting an understanding of how to identify hazards and what to avoid. And also get a sense of what you need to work on and learn more about if you want to keep going with this stuff. As for experiencing the Ottawa, we're so lucky to have this amazing river that flows right through the city. This ancient river is the reason this city's here. This land is the traditional territory of the Algonquin people, and this river has been traveled on and lived on by the Algonquin people for thousands of years. For thousands of years, this river was the main highway for people heading into the interior of what we now call Canada from the east. Today, a small group of river surfers and whitewater paddlers have a secret: that the river right in the city is an incredible and accessible place to recreate. And if you haven't experienced the river from this perspective, it's a great thing to try.